Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to measure distance in Google Maps. As you can see, we have the map here. So say we want to measure the distance from Paris to Berlin. So we're going to right click on Paris, and then at the bottom option here you have measure distance. So you're going to click on it, and then all you need to do is to follow the instruction here to click on the map to trace the path you want to measure. So if we're saying Paris to Berlin, so we're going to click on Berlin, and you can see it's about 881.98 kilometers. Another interesting thing is if you want to measure some more, say for example you want to move from Paris to Berlin to Warsaw, so we're going to also tap on Warsaw, and then maybe from Warsaw you want to go to Vienna, you're going to tap on Vienna. It keeps adding as you're going, and then let's say you want to go back to Paris. It's going to make this form, and you can see the distance in total. It mentions the total area. It also measures the total distance. Now, if you want to modify this shape, you can simply click and drag on it. And now you can see, this can be done to any distance you might like. So if you're done measuring the distance, all you need to do is to come over to the line here and right click, and then clear measurement. And then you have it as before. So if you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us. So feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We're eager to hear from you.